Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anna and today's video is all about ways to make a girl miss you like crazy. This is going to be a great video if you are just starting to text someone, if you're at the start of a relationship, or perhaps you are in a long-term relationship and you want to kind of put a little bit of spark back into the trunk. This is an amazing video for you, so stay tuned. Let her miss you. Now, it can be hard to actually see how this would actually work because you want to give her the constant reminder that you actually exist. However, pulling away makes her think about you more than she would normally because she wants to think, what's he getting up to? She wants to know who you are with, and it creates mystery, which creates attraction. Don't rush the relationship. If you have just met this girl and you really want things to work out, take them slow. Even if you want to call her and arrange the wedding in the same week that you got her number, you have to fight the urge. If you just got her number, wait a couple of days until you text her, and do not be quick to advance the relationship. Just let the tension rise naturally. Text her less. Just like the first tip of the video, don't always text her. You need to keep her guessing. You don't always have to text her good morning or good evening. Things get boring pretty quickly if your behavior is very much predictable, which leads us to get out of your usual routine. If you usually follow the same pattern, could be a good morning text or, hey, I'm at work now, what you up to? I'm on my dinner break. Or you get back home, you call each other, and then there's a good night text before you go to sleep. Well, you've got to change it up a bit. She will be expecting you to contact her at the usual times, but if you shake this up, things get a little bit more interesting and exciting, and it makes her wonder what you are actually up to. Be exciting. If you stick to your boring routine, you always talk about chasing your goals and how great you're going to be without actually putting in the hard work and making it happen, well, it's not exciting. Instead, be an achiever, a go-getter, someone that wants something and make sure they go out there to get it. So focus on your goals and putting in the effort to achieve greatness, and this makes you much more attractive. And this is a psychological trick which is going to make her miss you more when she sees how well you're doing. Build her up. Do something that helps her in her own growth. If she's studying for an exam, then go round and be that person to test her with flashcards to make sure she achieves what she set out to do. If you know that she needs help mowing her lawn, then go round and do it. Now, all of these things create a strong attraction, and she can see just how awesome you are. And this, teamed up with your own direction in life, being mysterious and not always texting her, creates a super high level bit of attraction that is going to make her obsess over you when you suddenly disappear. Give her a reason to miss you. If you stop texting her and create some distance, but she's not too bothered, well, then you've got to change something. Get her feeling a little cautious when you pull away because she does not want to miss out on you. So improve yourself and increase your own self-worth. And a great way to do this is to be positive around her. The simple act of just being engaging and exciting with your mindset is enough for her to want to be with you all the time. If she's having a boring day at work, she's going to think about you because she knows that you are an exciting and positive person, and she will think about you for a sense of relief from her own boredom at work. You need to create information gaps. Now, this tip works so well at the start of a relationship, specifically during the dating phase. If you are able to hold back of revealing too much about yourself, she will try to fill in the blanks, and she will always think about this when she's not with you. So when she asks you questions, you can give a little bit away, just a small portion of your answer, and then you can say, you know what, I'll tell you the rest another day, or I will tell you the rest of this story the next time I see you. It builds excitement and it keeps the story going, and it makes her miss you longer. Be the best version of yourself when you see her. When you do hang out, make sure that she sees the best version of you. If she can see that you are confident, not arrogant, dominant, but not aggressive, a go-getter, not someone who just talks about the future, this is going to drive her wild. Maintain some strong eye contact and make her feel comfortable when you are with her by listening when she talks and asking her many open-ended questions. Therefore, she will miss you when you have that time apart.
Tell her that you have been thinking about her. Yes, you get to twist this one completely backwards. And let's say you guys haven't been hanging out for a while, or you've just been talking over text message. A great thing to do is just to come out and say, hey, I've been thinking about you a lot. Or, I saw this the other day and it made me think of you. Now, in the moment, she won't respond to this as she will be possibly blushing and trying to hide how she feels. But behind closed doors, when you guys are not together, she will think, oh, he has been thinking about me. And then every time you guys spend apart, that will always be flashing up in the back of her mind, thinking, I wonder if he is thinking about me right now. And as you can imagine, this is so powerful because she will be thinking about you non-stop. And if you can team this up with tagging her in things online, it makes her think, he has been thinking about me because he's just tagged me in something hilarious over on Instagram.
Be sincere with her. A girl that knows you care about her feelings and you can support her during her times of stress or sadness is a huge turn on. And in the moments when you do pull away, she's gonna sense the distance, but luckily she won't immediately think, he's cheating on me. That is the worst thing to make a girl think. But instead, because she knows how much you do care about her and her feelings, she will think, he's not cheating on me, but he's not texting me back. I wonder what he's up to. And she will obsess over it. And a great way to show some sincerity is to use her name often, in person, over calls or texts. Or a simple, hey, have a good day, Anna. A little text like this really is going to flood her with feel-good emotions. If you have seen our video which explains the reasons why women love the chase, then you will understand that this video is all about creating that distance. Women love the chase because it creates some cognitive dissonance. It makes them feel, okay, so my boyfriend likes me because obviously we're together and we're happy, but also he's not texting me, something's going wrong here. And because they have two different mindsets, what she will try to do is overcome the painful mindset of he's not messaging me, what's going on, and she will overcompensate and she will obsess and she will think about you. And this is the kind of state you want her to be in. You want to always make sure that she's not quite sure if she really does have you. Now, this isn't playing a game, it's just constantly creating attraction inside a relationship. And obviously, as long as you are a nice person, you are saying nice things to her, you are treating her like a good person, then when you do create this distance, she gets a little bit uncertain with what's going on, but I assure you, it is going to build attraction and make her miss you. And there we go, we've reached the end of the video. If you want to binge some more, click right here. Or if you want to get your name up on our super fan board, then all you have to do is be a member of our Joyanima monthly membership. Details will be down below. Like and subscribe. See you soon.